Aloha from Hawaii. So I thought I'd give you guys a little update on our solar panel move over here, and we're still working on it today. We're hoping to get it done today. So I'm going to start with a little bit of fencing redoing, or just sort of making an area around the panel so the cows can't get to it. So my next step is to bring over some of the electric fencing materials and put them on the new posts that we've set in concrete. All right, so this is our electric fencing stuff, and this is what I was looking for right here. This wonderful bag. We ran out of these at our Tractor Supply recently, and I had to just order some. I can't find them on Amazon anymore. It's difficult sometimes to get products in Hawaii, so yeah, I ended up getting like 4 or 6 bags of these because I do not want to run out anymore. So here's our post we've put in. We use these 12-inch wide boards to make a box, and then the hole goes down about 1 foot below that. So that will become where we'll bring our fencing, which is on that tree right now. And I'll see what I've got to do different. I might have to do a little bit different because I want to make some straight lines, basically to about the edge of the roofed structure over there. That's where some of our lines are going to need to go to. We've got a deep freezer up there that is powered by one of these solar panels. But this post will become a corner post for our electric fencing, and then I'll hook in over here. There's towards the house pad back there. There's another shorter post, and it's really hard to see because of the grass that's grown up so much. We've had to cut our cows off a little bit while we've worked on this, but once I get the electric fence up, they'll be able to come back in here and enjoy eating some. This is our project so far, our rebuild, our Build Back Better, which if you live with a right ruling life, you can build back better and expect great results. So it's a little bit wider. We're going to be making a few adjustments, and we have to accommodate for the fact that this is a few inches wider here and a few inches wider there. But it'll be strong, and it's really strong now. Jonathan's got one coat of paint on it. I wanted to paint it black. It's super strong. I'm giving it a good shake right now. It's really strong. So we'll get the panels on today. We'll get the rest of our boxes over here built and where our equipment goes. And it's looking just really great, I think. Our grounding rod will be going into this area. And yeah, the whole thing's going to get the black paint on it. And this is where it's all going to happen. I think we're going to bring it all together today. We're getting a new unit, a second unit. Our first unit went out, and that's what spurned on this big move. It was going to happen anyway, and all of a sudden it had to happen now. So we took advantage of that while one system was down, we'd just move it. So yeah, I think it's looking really good. We have all of our panels over here, keeping the goats locked up so they can't get on our stuff. And all this stuff should be put back together today. So hopefully I'll get a finished product picture for you guys this afternoon, late afternoon. Thanks for watching, y'all. Hold up, there you go.
You know, you could jump out of an airplane with a paint sprayer and not even need a parachute. 'Cause it's guaranteed gonna hang up on something before you get out that plane.
Oh, that's good.
My uncle told me that one time. We had like 150 foot of hose going through a 3-story house.
Oh man.
and it was hanging up on everything. He's like, man, you don't even need a parachute, jump out of an airplane, you just need a paint sprayer. Spot?
Yeah, so there's one right there. And then probably inside the little area down by Polk.
Does look nice, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, hung up on the board again. Same board.
Yeah, let me move that forward.
Time for that board to go.